We need to be seen as data innovators, enabling data innovators. Well, what I see now is really leveraging metadata for strategic advantage.
That should be a keynote title, leveraging metadata for the strategic advantage.
Put your data to work.
Scott Taylor, the data whisperer here, finding out what's on people's minds, what's in their head, what's in their heart when it comes to managing their data. In the center of the MDM universe, the single version of truth for data governance. What's on their mind in the master data business, what's happening in data governance, and of course, making sure they help you
Put your data to work.
Put your data to work.
Yeah, put your data to work.
Put your data and your metadata to work. Peter Kapur, I work for AIG. My responsibility is as a data strategy and data governance lead. I work to really operationalize the data across the enterprise.
How do you help your organization put your data to work?
I think it's really linking up with the key business deliverables, making sure that we can have the business be involved, but not in terms of purely asking them, but proving to them that we're actually going to help them deliver their initiatives. We're data management, we're data governance, doing metadata. It's really important that we bring them into the mix.
That's kind of the holy grail, getting the business to support it. So what have you done to kind of convert some of those folks who go, I don't care about data, I'm just here to sell more insurance?
If they're trying to sell more insurance, how do we help them from their perspective? What are the key initiatives they have? They obviously are using data. How do we hone in on what can help them, not what can help us? I think there tends to be a lot of times at the core where we're thinking there's something that they should be doing. No, if it's not resonating with them, we need to really understand what their perspective is, what will help them to sell more insurance, what are the obstacles they are finding, and then use the disciplines and use whatever we have, the tools that we have to help them do this, so bring them on our side. To be honest with you, I don't like the aspect of data governance as a cop and a police.
Okay.
I think we do need to have policy and frameworks and all, but it's really, if they're not contributing to business deliverables, we really need to review them. We need to be seen as data innovators, enabling data innovators.
Business people kind of blank out when you use a lot of sort of that tech talk and, metadata. I had an Ant Meta. What does metadata mean? How do you explain metadata to a business person?
When I first go in, I actually don't even mention the word metadata. Okay. We've been very fortunate, I've been working with our chief privacy officer. He says, yes, I get metadata, it's important, but it was only after a year as we had delivered a solution for him. Containing metadata, making metadata simpler for him, connecting it for GDPR, connecting it for privacy. And then we said, do you know the metadata that we created for you? Now we can leverage it across and for other purposes that you have.
Right, so you kind of snuck it in there. You don't realize, but you've been using metadata the whole time.
Exactly. You can't hit them on the head with it. Well, what I see now is really leveraging metadata for strategic advantage and really collaborating across the enterprise. A lot of times we're not collaborating because we're thinking siloed. But if we can connect metadata, at the end of it, what you're looking at is the metadata that you're extracting out of this is strategic advantage, whether that's from a privacy, whether that's from an information security. It can really be used across the enterprise to connect. Put your data and your metadata to work.
Nice one. Excellent. All right,
Thank you.